Annyeonghaseyo, Chameleon, D. Daphne Dow. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. Today, I will be unboxing my BarkBox for August 2018. As usual, I will leave all the information down below about BarkBox. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, before I get started, let me just tell you that I had re-recorded this video. This is my third time recording this video because the first time, I don't know if somebody called me or what happened, but the video just cut out, right? And I was right at the end of the video too. And then I tried to record it again, and then it cut out again. So third time's the charm. This is my third time recording this. So everything that you will see has already been opened. Unfortunately, I've given the treats to my dogs, so I know it's in the box. Let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing that I got in my box was this right here. It says Happy Bark Day. This is the pup pie because my dog's birthday was August the 13th. So BarkBox sent me a pup pie. So that's very awesome for my birthday boy, Romeo, down here. This theme for this month is Secrets of the Rainforest. And here's what the other side looks like. It tells you about some of the toys and the things that are inside there. And here is what the inside, it tells you some of the toys that you will get for this month. Very cool. Their toys are very good quality, by the way. I love BarkBox's toys. All right, so the first thing that we got is the Bark of the Wild Chicken Blend. Soft and chewy. Like I said, the package is opened already because of the recording of the video and the technical difficulties that I had. This is soy, corn, and wheat free, and that's what it looks like there. The next treat that I got is Bark of the Wild Pork and Vegetable Blend, soft and chewy. It looks like that there. I like the packaging on here. Very nice. And he, by the way, I gave him both treats. He loved both treats. Then I got this, and I think this is a turtle or a frog. It looks like a bullfrog. This is a Dozer Small Dental Health Gluten-Free Chew. It looks like a turtle. You know those Candies turtles with the caramel in them? That's what this looks like. It's hollow on the back. So this is just like a chew. And I like that there. Then I'll give that to him later. And then I got 3 toys. I am a member of the Extra Toy Club, so I will always get 3 toys because I have a very playful pup. The first thing that I got is Anita the Anteater. This is what the tag looks like. And my dog is trying to get at Anita right now. And this tells you the things that are inside. I've got, like, you know, your squeaker and your bungee rope right here. And the anteater, as you can see, she's eating an ant. So that's what she looks like, Anita. And she has the crinkly paper in the tail. My dog likes crinkly paper, so awesome, awesome. And I do too, because it doesn't leave a mess when he, like, if he tries to rip through it. This is Carla Chameleon. This is Carla Chameleon, and here is the inside of what is inside Carla. She's got a bungee rope right here, as you can see. She's got some squeakers in her, and this is what she looks like right there with her curly tail. I'm not going to squeak because I don't want to, you know, get my dog too excited, but I like this. This is cute. And by the way, like I said, their toys from BarkBox are very, very sturdy and long-lasting. So that's what I like about them. And this right here, my friends, is ThreeToed Monty. ThreeToed Monty looks like that. And here is the inside of ThreeToed Monty. Right? Can you see that? Right there. This is Monty's little cute face right there. There's a squeaker in him, a squeaker ball in his body down here. He also has the crinkly paper in the tail and also in the feet. There's crinkly paper. So that is everything in my BarkBox for August 2018. Let's recap. I got here, this is ThreeToed Monty. So cute, so cute, so cute. I also have Carla Chameleon, which I think is very cute too. I also got Anita the Anteater right here. And I got Bark of the Wild, 2 of them. I got the pork and vegetable, the chicken blend. And I also got this Dozer Small Dental Chew. And I also got my pup pie because it's my dog's birthday. And that is everything in my BarkBox for August. Secrets of the Rainforest is the theme. If you get BarkBox, let me know what you got in your box. Depending on the size of your dog, your items will be different from mine. My box, by the way, is for a small dog. You can also get a box if your dog is medium or large size, or if your dog is a power chewer. So if you have like a Bull Mastiff or a Rottweiler or like a Doberman Pinscher, you know, a dog, a bigger dog with a big bite, and then you can get toys that are appropriate for your dog. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'm close to getting 1,000 subscribers. When I get there, there will be a giveaway, and I'll let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. I will talk to you next time. You have a fantastic day. Bye.
넌 나고 난 나